Another monsoon. The water rises, and I just sit.
I can still feel the beat, but the body forgets.
Look, I'm doing the Bakuje move. Your timing is off, little fish.
It's not about your feet, Blessing. It's about the rhythm here.
Here?
Dancing won't keep the lagoon out of our homes, David.
Maybe not. But it will keep our spirits from drowning.
The biggest storm of the season. It hits tomorrow night. We must secure everything.
But our performance.
We will not cancel. We will not hide from the storm. We will dance in it. And we will show the world that Makoko is alive.
Again, feel the water beneath you. It's not stable. And neither is life. Adapt to it. Stronger together.
If they are dancing, we will make sure they have a stage.
Don't fight the rain. It is the rhythm tonight. Let it move you. Now go!
They see us. The whole world sees us.
Did we win, David?
We moved, Blessing. Even when the world told us to stay still, we moved.